Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to make stir-fried bok choy. The first thing you need to do is stir-fry some minced garlic until it's nice golden brown. And then we could add in our oyster sauce, which is about 1 or 2 tablespoons. And now we could add in our chopped bok choy. And we will stir fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Our stir fry is complete, guys. It's been 5 minutes or 10 minutes already. Now we could easily plate it. This is good with as a side items with rice or with any type of protein you would like. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.